I got a present in the mail today. I got this 5-in-1 hand blender from Acekool. I'm going to open it. We're going to use it and see how it works, okay? This product has 4.5 stars on Amazon and it sells up to $50, $49.99. Today I checked it, it's at $33 on sale. All right, so we're gonna open this. On top is the hand blender, and here is its attachment. We have a small food processor. I like this already. Mine is just too big sometimes for little projects. We have a beater and the piece to connect it to the hand blender. We also have a milk frother. And we have the mixing glass. It is good for about 2.5 cups of whatever you put in there. We have a user guide in various languages, including English, Spanish, and Italian, and a little cookbook. So this is everything that came in that box. I'm gonna go wash these and we can start testing them out, okay? All right, I'm gonna start by making a simple smoothie. I'm gonna add a cup of almond milk to this. Add a banana. A date, you got the seed, and a tablespoon of almond butter. This little knob goes from 2 to 12 for power. I think it did a pretty good job. There's pieces of the date in there, just tiny pieces, which is fine with me, you know, but hey, good for smoothies. All right, let's try the beater. I'm gonna beat 1 egg in here. That's impressive. Very good. So now let's froth some milk. I have half a cup of cold milk in here. I have to say that works very well. I want to show you that besides the speeds up here, you do have the on-off and you have a turbo button. I use the turbo for the milk and for the egg, okay? Finally, let's test the food processor. I'm just gonna put a handful of almonds in here, okay? That's a pretty good little processor.